Today we are going to do question answers of chapter 4 Maps class 6 Geography NCERT solutions at your fingertips. The main points of this chapter are types of map, physical, political, thematic maps, etc., components of maps, distance, direction and symbol, sketch and plan. These were the main points of this chapter. Most of these topics are covered in the question answers section. So let's begin with the question answers. Question number 1. Answer the following questions briefly. A. What are the three components of a map? Answer. The three components of a map are distance, direction and symbol. B. What are the four cardinal directions? Answer. The four cardinal directions are north, south, east and west. C. What do you mean by the term the scale of the map? Answer. The scale of the map is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. For example, 5 cm on the map shows 500 km of the ground. It is called a small scale map, whereas if 5 cm on the map shows 500 meters only on the ground, it is called a large scale map. D. How are maps more helpful than a globe? Answer. Maps provide more information than a globe. Map shows various signs and symbols of physical and geographical features, whereas the globe does not do so. It is easy to carry a map as it can be folded or rolled, whereas globe is not portable. Therefore, maps are more helpful than a globe. E. Distinguish between a map and a plan. Answer. A map is a representation or a drawing of the Earth's surface or a part of it, drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. Plan. A plan is a detailed drawing of a small area drawn on a large scale. 2. A map cannot show too many details of a small area, such as a house or a room. Plan. A plan can show details of a small area, such as length and breadth of a room, which can't be shown in a map. F. Which map provides detailed information? Answer. Large-scale maps provide detailed information. A large-scale map shows a small area in great details. It can show many features. G. How do symbols help in reading maps? Answer. Symbols give a lot of information in a limited space. They represent buildings, roads, bridges, trees, rivers, railway lines, wells, post offices, etc. using certain letters, shades, colors, pictures and lines. With the use of these universal, conventional symbols, maps are simple to read. Question number 2. Tick the correct answers. A. Maps showing distribution of forests are number 1. Physical map, number 2. Thematic map, number 3. Political map, and the correct answer is number 2. Thematic map. B. The blue color is used for showing number 1. Water bodies, number 2. Mountains, number 3. Plains, and the correct answer is number 1. Water bodies. C. A compass is used number 1. To show symbols, number 2. To find the main direction, number 3. To measure distance, and the correct answer is number 2. To find the main direction. D. A scale is necessary number 1. For a map, number 2. For a sketch, number 3. For symbols, and the correct answer is number 1. For a map. These were the question answers of the chapter Maps. Thanks for watching the video till end.